Hey guys, my name is Thana and welcome to my channel. I'm now in the Isuzu dealership in Thana Mega here. This is Isuzu i-Green generation and this is the launch of their Isuzu D-Max at this dealership. Now, I think all of you have heard about D-Max quite a bit over the last week or so, and it's not without a reason, because you know what, it is something very unique and interesting. People are going crazy over this. You've got the launcher. People are actually signing up and buying the units today itself. It's crazy, and you wonder why are people so crazy about the D-Max? Well, let's think about this. Which other truck do you know right now comes with 7-year warranty? And you must agree with me that trucks are not cheap when it comes to replacements, from injectors to turbos, to suspensions. These parts are not cheap. So if you get 7-year unlimited mileage warranty on a truck, you know what, that is just a peace of mind which you cannot beat. How do you say in Japanese?
Isuzu.
So I've got the CEO of Isuzu.
Yes.
Isuzu with me here. I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
The D-Max here is very, very, very beautiful.
Yeah.
All angles very beautiful.
Yes.
What part of the D-Max you like the most? Is it the front? Is it the side? Which part of it is the most stunning for you?
Most stunning for me is I have 2 points. One is this new LED light.
Yep.
Yes. But this is the most appealing point, and I like this eyes. Second point is could you come in behind? I like also this tailgate lamp.
Yes.
When this now currently not shown, but this line is very.
Two lines there.
Two lines, very beautiful. I like this 2 points.
For me, looking at the D-Max,
Yes.
you know how when you look at most pickup trucks, let's say the Hilux, the Ranger, and other trucks, some trucks are very known. From far, you know it's a Ranger.
Yes.
From far, you know it's a Hilux.
Yes.
Because the Hilux has got that light there, the trapezium. The Ranger has got that, also the sharp looking eyes there.
Yes.
But from the back,
Yes.
the D-Max I think is very unique.
Awesome. Oh.
Correct?
Yes.
These lights over here,
Yes.
the fact these lights are actually, there's two little lights over here, it comes out separately.
Yes.
It's very unique.
Right.
It's D-Max.
Yes.
From far away, you know it's a D-Max.
Yes.
And also I like the fact that the front, I think the front grille itself,
Yes.
where it comes out like a shark.
Sharp. Yes.
The teeth is like a shark coming
shark,
out.
yes.
The tooth, I think it's beautiful.
Yes.
If I were to buy the D-Max, I probably would put a bit of light, small light inside the grill,
Yes.
so you can see the light. Much better. But yeah, it's a very good looking truck.
Yeah. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.